Big changes don't always need big machines or big money. Sometimes the brightest green ideas come from small towns with simple tools and even simpler dreams. On this World Environment Day, let's celebrate grassroots solutions for a greener tomorrow by having a look at inventions made in India with limited resources but limitless imagination. First up is Mansukh Bhai Prajapati, who invented the clay refrigerator by the name of Mitti Cool. Mansukh Bhai, a traditional potter from Gujarat, wanted to help rural families keep their food fresh without electricity. So, he created Mitti Cool, a refrigerator made entirely of clay. So here is how it works. The clay absorbs water and releases it slowly through evaporation. This cools the inner chamber, keeping fruits, vegetables and even milk fresh for days. It is affordable, eco-friendly and perfect for villages with limited or no power. Then there is Ramya Jose, who invented the pedal-powered washing machine. Ramya, a schoolgirl from Kerala, saw how hard her mother worked washing clothes by hand. She used scrap bicycle parts and came up with a manual washing machine powered by pedaling. So you just put clothes and water inside, pedal for a few minutes and the laundry is done. Moving on to North India. Water is life. But in Ladakh, rivers dry up before farming season starts. Shivang Norfel, a civil engineer, solved this by building artificial glaciers. In winters, he diverted water into shaded stone reservoirs where it would freeze. By summer, the ice slowly melted, providing water right when farmers need it most. Norfel created over 10 such glaciers, helping dozens of villages grow food in a dry desert. Then there is the example of Ankit Agarwal, who turned temple flowers into incense sticks. Every day, tons of flower waste from temples end up in rivers like the Ganga, polluting sacred water. Ankit Agarwal started Phool, a company that collects this flower waste and turns it into incense sticks and organic compost. Not only does this stop water pollution, it also creates jobs for local women. Therefore, it is a circular solution. Waste becomes wellness. Then there is the example of Binish Desai, who created bricks from industrial paper waste. Binish from Gujarat is also known as the Recycle Man of India. He discovered a way to turn industrial paper waste into eco-friendly bricks. These bricks are cheaper, lighter and stronger than regular ones and help manage a very difficult kind of waste. And therefore, he has built toilets and homes using this method. So as you can see, these are not just inventions. They are solutions made by the people, for the people and for the planet. Therefore, this World Environment Day, let's remember that you don't need a lab or $1 million to change the world. All you need is a good idea and the courage to try.